The TruckMaster is our contact cleaning system created specifically for carpet cleaners. If you already own a truck-mounted carpet cleaning machine, you're just one step away from offering duct cleaning services.
The TruckMaster connects to your existing carpet cleaning equipment and provides an easy entry into duct cleaning. The TruckMaster's control panel is simple. There are switches to select the handheld remote or the control panel to operate the brush.
We recommend using the remote control for safe operation during cleaning. Also, you can start or stop the brush, reverse the brush, set it to high or low speeds, and turn the brush on and off. The power cord on the TruckMaster's hose connects to the control panel. The Flex E bristle brush and motorized brush head adjusts for ducts from 4 inches to 12 inches. Everything you need is included to start cleaning ducts using your existing truck mount vacuum. Begin setup by connecting your truck mount's vacuum hose to the dust damper. Then attach the 35-foot air care hose to the other end of the dust damper. Next, attach your solution hose from your truck to the top of the dust damper.
As suction begins, a fine mist of water traps dust before it enters your truck's vacuum system.
Now it's time to clean the ducts. Go to your starting vent and insert the brush into the ductwork.
Be careful not to start or stop the brush while it is outside the duct.
The rotating action dislodges debris, while your vacuum removes it completely. All material is safely collected inside your collection tank on your truck.
It's a simple setup that turns your carpet cleaning rig into a complete air duct cleaning system. Don't forget to upsell. Add permanent filters, deodorizing spray, or UV purification to every duct job. Air Care provides online training, support, and certifications so you can start with confidence. Add air duct cleaning to your services with the TruckMaster by Air Care.